The Vangoa 61-key light-up keyboard is an ideal choice for beginners with its lighted mini keys that are designed to fit the natural spacing of children's fingers, preventing discomfort during practice. With an impressive range of 350 tones, 350 rhythms, and 30 demo songs, this keyboard allows for extensive sound customization, enabling users to play along with their favorite tunes. Equipped with 3 teaching modes and an adjustable rhythm tempo, the Vangoa keyboard makes learning accessible and engaging, while its record and playback functionality aids in refining one's skills. Constructed from environmentally safe ABS material, this portable keyboard features a soft-edge design, ensuring safety and durability, making it a suitable option for young musicians. The keyboard's compact size of 32.7 inches by 10.9 inches by 3.1 inches makes it highly portable, with the option to be powered by either an included power adapter or batteries. Vangoa provides peace of mind with a 60-day return policy, a 2-year warranty, and lifetime after-sales service, ensuring a reliable and worry-free purchase experience.